Hello, good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Have you had your breakfast? Okay, well done. Can we start our class today? Are you interested? Okay, very good, students. And what is our topic? Do you remember? You just think about it. What is our topic? Yes, we are studying fractions and decimals. Okay, it is very important topic in mathematics. It is fractions. Okay, do you know how to add two fractions? Hmm? Sure, you know. Do you know how to subtract two fractions? Okay, that also you know. Okay, and you know one more thing. You have to multiply two fractions. Okay, we already discussed about multiplication of a fraction with another fraction. Okay, I know you know all these things. Okay, today we are discussing about this exercise, exercise 2.2 in your textbook, page number 36. Okay, it's very silly exercise. Okay, first one, what is the question? Which of the drawings A to D show 2 1 by 5, 2 1 by 2 and 3 2 by 3 and 3 1 by 4? That means which of the drawings shows these fractional figures? Which of the four drawings shows these fractional figures? Okay, first figure what is the fraction of this shape? How many parts is shaded here? Okay, two parts. So, the fraction of this figure is 2 by 3. Is it? I think you know this one. In our earlier classes, we studied this type of fractions by drawing and shading. Okay. So, actually this is 1, 2, 3. 3 parts and out of 3 parts, 2 parts are shaded. Okay. 2 parts are shaded. So, the fraction of this figure is, which one? Yes, 2 by 3. Okay, it is 2. The total is 3. So, it is 2 by 3. Okay, and how many 2 by 3 fractions are here? 1, 2, 3. It is 2 by 3. It is second 2 by 3. It is third 2 by 3. So, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 2 by 3's are here. Is it? So, we can select the fraction which is matching to this 2 by 3 or this figure. Okay. 2 1 by 5. Isn't it? No, it's not matching to this figure. 2 1 by 3. No, it's not matching. And 3 2 by 3. Think about it. 3 times 2 by 3. Yeah, great. It is 3 times 2 by 3. Sure? Understand? Okay, so this 3 figure is matching with the third one, that is 3 2 by 3. Okay, so the fractional form of this figure is 3 2 by 3. Okay, understand? Okay, next one. What is the next question or what is the next drawing? This one. Okay, what is the part of this? Or what is the fractional form of this figure? Actually, it is a rectangle and divided into two parts and one part is shading. Okay? And what is the fraction? Yes, it is 1 by 2. It is also 1 by 2. One shaded portion out of two portion. One shaded portion out of two part. Okay? So, it is 1 by 2. It is also 1 by 2. So, how many 1 by 2's are here? Okay, 1, 2. It is 2 1 by 2's are here. So, 2 1 by 2 fractional pictures are here. So, we can select the fractional form of this one. Okay. Listen, this one is matching to this one. No, it is 2 into 1 by 5. It is not matching. And this one 2 into 1 by 2. Great. This is the matching fraction of this figure. Is it? It is first 1 by 2 and it one Next 1 by 2. So 2 1 by 2. 2 times 1 by 2. This is the fractional form of this figure. Okay. Understand? Okay. Next third question. That is C. What is this one? It is a square and divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Divided into 4 parts. And from these 4 parts, one part is shaded one. Okay. One part is shaded. Okay. Then what is the fractional form of this one? You think about it. Okay, out of 4 part, 1 is shading. So it is 1 by 4. Okay, it is 1 by 4. And how many 1 by 4s are here? It is the picture of 1 by 4. It is the picture of another 1 by 4. It is the picture of another 1 by 4. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 1 by 4s are here. So what is the matching fraction from this question? This one. Right? 2 1 by 5. Isn't it? No, it is not matching. And this one, we already selected this one. No, so this not matching. And 3 2 by 3. This is we already selected. So this is not matching. And this one, 3 into 1 by 4. Okay. 3 times 1 by 4. Here also 1, 2, 3. 3 times 1 by 4. So the matching figure. The matching fractional form of this figure is 3 1 by 4. Okay, understand? Okay, one more picture is remaining. Which one? The leaf picture. Okay, this one is circle and divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay, and this one also divided into 5 parts and one part is shading. Okay, shaded by one part only. Here also one part. So, what is the fractional form of this one? Think. Okay, very good. This is one is which one? 1 by 5. One part out of 5 parts. So, it is 1 by 5. And how many 1 by 5s are here? 1, 2. So, 2 1 by 5s are here. So, this one is matching to the first one, 2 1 by 5. So, okay. And so, dears, in this case, 2 1 by 5, 2 1 by 2, 3 2 by 3, 3 1 by 4. We selected all the pictures with respect to these fractions. Okay, understood? Okay, great.